Hi, this is Bentley's mom, and today's lesson is chapter 11, lesson 3, and we're going to go over the measures of variation. And the main vocabulary words you need to know, and you need to know how to mathematically find all of these things, are the range, the median, the quartile 1, which is usually referred to as Q1, quartile 3, which is Q3, and the interquartile range. Okay, and here are the notes. So if you're rusty on this, or you just want to look at these notes and hit pause, that would be great. So this is from example 2 in the lesson on the explanation. Here's the data set. We're going to look to find the range. What the range is you always put the data in order. You take the largest number of the data and subtract the smallest number, and that's what gives you the range. And I'm going to go over all of this on the board. The median is the middle number, and you put the data in order, and you kind of put your fingers and you go to the median. And then what that does is it splits the data in half. This is the lower half of the data, or the lower 50%, and then this is the upper half of the data, or the upper 50%. Then you have the quartile 1, or Q1, and what you do again is you take this, after you find the median, you find the median again of these ones, which is 48, and that separates this part into quarters. So then you get 25% here, 25%, 25%, 25%, and those are the 4 quartiles. Just like there's 4 quarters in a dollar, you can split your data up into what are called 4 quartiles. So then after you do that, to find quartile 3, you find the median again of the upper half of the data, where you get 63, and then what the interquartile range is. The range is taking the largest number minus the smallest number. So the interquartile range is just taking quartile 3, which is the larger one, and subtracting out quartile 1. And then in this case, you would get 15. So if you forget what to do in all this, just find the median, then find the median of the lower half of the data, and then find the median of the upper half of the data. And what that does is it just splits the data into 4 equal sections. So each section is a quartile, or 25% of the data. Okay.